Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open a business bank account in Armenia. So let's get started. So here I will just go to Google and I will directly search for top bank list in Armenia. Okay. So here we can see. So the first bank is our ACBA Credit Agricole Bank. Then we have Armenia Bank. Then we have Iconic Bank, another bank. So I'm going to show you how to open a bank account in your uh, Armenia Bank. Okay, so I will just show you the website. Okay, you can also come. So to open a business bank account, you will just click on your account. Then we have the current account. So current account is for your businesses. So I will just click on here. Okay. So when you will just click on here, so it will load. So here you have to apply for my Armenia. Okay. So just click on apply button. Then here you can just translate it. So here they are asking for your ID and pass. So you don't have. So you'll directly click on here at uh, register now. Okay, so here you have to give your accounting, like for card or for card number we can just forward. So becoming a customer you can also do. Okay, so to open a bank account, basically you have to go to your uh, nearest branch. Okay, or you can just click on here also, but this is not effective. You have to visit a branch for the full verification. So here we can see you can just only the current account with the package you can just do it. So one time it will require a payment of 7,000 AMD, and if you like only current account it will require a 3,000 AMD one time. So here we can see other detail also. So you have to visit a bank branch nearest and you have to do your KYC and other detail. Okay, so you can open it. Now this is how to open a bank account in your Armenia. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.